this one's here first.
I think they're both on the same controller.
Yeah, let's just ride both.
These are those weird Chicago brand fixtures. They're kind of like monitor. Ooh.
Whoa, the atoms. Oh my God.
1,600 feet per minute at least. Oh my God, we still have 2 floors to go.
We're here 1 minute later.
For real. Oh my God, literally. Huh. I'm intrigued. All right, let's get a look around this cab. The cab is all metal, like a freaking Lula. This thing is essentially a high-rise Lula.
I like these buttons.
I think they're made by a company called Centrel. They're cool though. You'll see more of these. Not these exact ones, but similar. Almost there. This maneuver is going to cost us 15 years.
Watch both doors open. Oh, the cab's a little bit.
Just with a delay. Anyway. Wow, this is going to be like a 30-minute video for you, huh? It's going up from 4 still.